installing the ALLA blinking tail lights on my 2015 Honda Accord. I'm gonna show you how it's done, and I'm gonna show you the before and after. Alright, so this is how to install them. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and with a knife or like a screwdriver, you're gonna take out the 3 pins that hold this carpet. There is one here, one there, and one there. You're gonna take those out, then remove the carpet like this, and there is a light we're gonna be changing. So you're gonna take that socket out by twisting it to the right like this. You're gonna take the old light bulb and replace it with the new light bulb. These are plug and play light bulbs, so literally just gonna plug it in there like that. You're gonna make sure it's all the way in, and then just put it back where it belongs.